Okay, as you can see, I got the ladder up in the snow. Hate that. And let's see, tighten up here. Gotta get on the roof here. Work on makeup there. I was up there already. Had to come down and get the snow shovel. A little snowy up here. So get some snow moved out of the way here. Gotta love it when you gotta shovel your job. It's really fucking irritating these people. Now, at least they could do is shovel the roof for you, you know? Irritating. Okay, at least got a path. So we're working on an absolute air, little makeup air unit. Fan's not running. I thought it was originally the belt, but as you can see, the belt's still on there. So came over here. Contactor's not pulled in. I got my exhaust fan pulled in, but those are 120 volts here and here. So what I'm gathering off of this, see that wire's toasted from there to there. I think I'm missing a leg of power. So let me get my meter and get this thing figured out here. Set you down here in the snow. My exhaust fans are running. Let's see. Got 6 amps on one, 4 amps on the other. See. got 211 volts. Nothing on the bottom. The contactor's not pulling in. So bottom of the contactor, nothing. Top of the contactor, 211 volts. So I'm not pulling in the contactor somewhere. So what pulls in my contactor? I got wires 2, and I don't know what that red wire is. Oh, yeah. Shut some power off here. There's my coil wires back there. Let's see, I shut the power off. Let me just double check and make sure I don't have any power. And no power. So I got 2, which runs back to 2 over here. I don't know what that red wire is though, where that comes from. I don't know where the red wire goes. Let's see. Power coming in here. Maybe I should check my fuses on. That would be probably my next bet before we go any farther. Does it show a contactor? Summer winter switch. Alright, oh my contactor. Contactor. There's my transformer. There's my summer winter switch right here. What do they call them that? They call that M1, which M1's right here. There's 2. So my 2 wire on one side. That maybe is coming from a summer winter switch. That's what, I don't know if that's number 9. Remove jumper for fire protection interlock. Right here. C1, C2, those are the contactors down low that control my fans right here. So I gotta find out why that's not pulling in. I didn't even take a voltage there. Let me see. Maybe I got a bad contactor. Let's see. Let's turn her back on. Let's see. Let's see if I got any voltage back here. I got 23 volts. 23 volts on the back of the contactor. Let me open the contactor up. honestly, I thought that was 120 volt coil. These contacts are fine. Oh yeah, that wire's toasty. Holy smokes, that wire's toasty. So, if I turn that back on, yeah, let's see. God, stop moving. Stop moving. I got the power off. There's my contactor. It's not moving. Not moving. So, I got voltage back there. This wire needs to be replaced. I'll replace the switch because I could probably get away with not replacing the switch. I just need to replace this wire. You can see how toasty it is, but that contactor's ripped. There ain't. You can see that was probably a loose connection causing that problem right there. So I'm going to have, this one's got an auxiliary switch on the side, so I'm going to have to order the same contactor because this is not part of the contactor. This is just another auxiliary switch on the side of the contactor, so when this pulls in, it pushes another contact down right there in that window. It's better off if I just not hodgepodge it and order it straight from the factory, so I don't have to worry about it, and all I got to do is take this off the side, pop this off the side, pop the new one on, or maybe the new one comes with an auxiliary switch on the side. So this was kind of diagnosing this thing. Yeah, that's one bad contactor. It don't want to move. I can't even push it in. Nothing. Won't move. So, wait, something else doesn't look. Oh. Yeah, what I'll do is I'll just order a new one, and then we'll go from there. We gotta replace some wires too. This wire needs to be replaced. This wire needs to be replaced. Gotta make sure I check my amp draws, why this wire's toasting. If it's just a bad connection, or I got a lot of high amp draw. I think it's just a bad connection. Same with this thing right here. Because I mean this should be replaced too. If you look at that contactor, see how it's discolored. Contacts still look good, but I'll just get this one replaced too. I might have some marking at the contacts causing this problem up here, discoloration. You notice the color difference. Alright guys. Oh shit. Alright. Like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. This is just a quick diagnostic of this makeup air unit. Sorry about the videos have been so slow, but it's just, I haven't had anything interesting. It's been run-of-the-mill stuff. It's just been real odd this winter. I've been busy too, real busy. But it's been like run-of-the-mill, in and out, flame sensor this, filter that, nothing quality to show you. So I thought I'd at least get a video of something interesting. Just haven't had the stuff lately to even show. But it'll start picking up here. We're getting some time. Get some more time to spend with my customers, and starting to slow down a little, so I'll be able to take a little more video. And we will go from there. I will hopefully see you on the repair on this one. I gotta check my fuses too, make sure my fuses are all good. I don't want to get back here and not have fuses. Alright guys, I'll see you on the next one.